Hi boys and girls, it's Shane and I'm going to teach you something I wish I knew the first time I bought a home, and it'll probably help you to overcome the incoming tariffs that are going to increase the cost of wood. Because if you're worried about prices going up 25%, what if you could just save 25% today? I'm going to show you how you can do this probably right where you're at, and I don't know exactly what I'm going to save, but I would guess 20 to 25% on lumber in just a moment. When you go to a hardware store to pick up some lumber, you're paying a big premium, especially for things like plywood and hardwood lumber. That stuff costs a lot more than if you go to a cabinet distributor. So I'm at Plunkett Distribution. You don't need an account here or anything else. I'm not a cabinet shop guy, although we have a shop. I'm just going to walk in and ask for what I want and pay cash. I need 2 pieces of 3/4 inch plywood, paint grade, and I need 2 pieces of 1/2 inch plywood, and I need 2 pieces of 1 inch plywood.
Okay.
I'm also going to want some poplar. Another upgrade over the hardware store. We get to pet the doggo. Yeah. Aren't you a good one? Aren't you a good one? Yeah, aren't you my friend? You are. I don't even know if I'll be able to get the 1 inch material at Home Depot, but we'll take a look and see. So we got $39 a sheet for the 3/4 inch and $28 a sheet for 1/2 inch birch. And I don't have to mess with a cart or anything. They're going to load it up via forklift right into my truck. Look at all this. So much plywood. Almost all of this is sheets of plywood or MDF or various veneers, and then the warehouse just keeps going. So here I am at Orange Lowe's. We're going to go in here and see what the wood prices are. Man, my hair's a mess. Do you think I'm going to beat the tariff? Do you think I can beat 25% off? I bet I do. I bet it's more than 25% off. Let's find out. So we're in the plywood section. Oh guys, look at this. $86.98 a sheet compared to $39. So quit whining about 25%. I just taught you how to save the money. Let's see, here's the 1/2 inch. $72.18 instead of $28.6774. Now let's see if we can find the poplar that I bought. And in case you haven't already, make sure to share this with somebody you know that has a home. So here's some sanded poplar coming in at $8.34 a foot for a 1x12. So that's a board foot, $8.34. And instead we paid $1.87. $8.34. $1.87. I expected to be saving 25 to 30% tops. I'm shocked. That's like 4 times the price or more. There are still things worth getting at Home Depot though. This is amazing. Ultra finish. Diablo. These are the blades. Buy these. One more thing to notice about this poplar. That's 3/4 inch thick. Now you can see that this that I just got is actually a little over 3/4. About a whole extra 1/16 of wood. That gives me a little bit more wood to sand and smooth it out if I need it. Send this to somebody that needs to quit shopping for wood like a noob.